With viaSocket AI, you can build anything, from a simple automation to a complex multi-step workflow in seconds. If you can describe it, you can build it. Watch, log in, pick your workspace, and create a new flow. Now just describe what you want, and hit send. Before building anything, it shows you the plan. Review it, and if everything feels right, continue. It asks you to connect your accounts. Then a few quick questions. Answer them, hit continue, and it builds the whole automation for you. Now test it. A real email goes through, every detail pulled out and written straight to the sheet. End to end, green across the board. Hit go live, and it's running. Done. And it scales to complex automations too. Same box, one prompt. When a new Instagram comment arrives, use AI to classify it as buying intent, question, or engagement. Write a short personalized DM based on the comment. For buying intent or question, post a public reply asking them to check their DM. For engagement, post a natural public reply. Same steps as before. One sentence in and a workflow that branches. It decides what each comment deserves. So you already know how to use this. If you can say it, you can build it. Endless automations can be made. For example, post every new Shopify order to Slack. Add new Facebook leads straight to a Google Sheet. Reply to every new Instagram comment automatically. Email me a summary of yesterday's form responses every morning. Any of those. Copy it from the description, paste it into viaSocket AI, and it is built. viaSocket connects over 2,300 apps to each other. So whatever app you are using, it is there in viaSocket. So stop building automations manually, just describe them. Start free at viaSocket.com.